What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy KB coming back at y'all another video. And today's the day. Today is the day that we pick up the M3. It's currently at the shop. We just got it wrapped. I have not seen the wrap at all. I literally just sent the concept. And I have no clue what it looked like. I'm nervous. I'm hella nervous because I don't know if the details are exactly how I want them to be. I told them exactly how I want it to be, but I haven't seen it to like make any adjustments, corrections, or anything. So I'm really about to just pull up, and the shit really gonna be what it is at the moment. So, oh man, shit's so crazy. And then basically just kind of give y'all some backstory. Stage Cars, they did a raffle. They did like a giveaway for basically like a $5,000 value of like a wrap, whatever. So fucking crazy that I even won that shit, bro. Like that shit is so crazy that I won it.
Hallo liebe SC Community, hier haben wir einmal die Gesamtanzahl der Gewinnspielteilnehmer in der Hand. Könnten wir jetzt klassisch auslosen, aus einer Urne ziehen? Nee, haben wir keinen Bock. Wir machen das einmal hier einfach in den Dippen rein. Gucke, dass wirklich auch alles drin ist. Und dann starten wir das Fahrzeug und das Schnipselchen oder der Teilnehmer, der am weitesten wegliegt, hat gewonnen. Khalil PD hat gewonnen. Herzlichen Glückwunsch.
So yeah, man. I ended up winning the giveaway. Damn. I ended up winning the giveaway, and it was a lot of like back and forth between what we really wanted to go with. Because obviously, if they're doing a giveaway, they want to maximize what's going to be done to the car, especially if, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just wanted to go with something basic, to be honest with you. Like, I just wanted to go with something basic. And y'all know my steez already. Like, y'all know I really mess with, like, neutral tones and things like that. So my mindset on the car is literally, like, let me do something basic, and it's just going to be hard, one of one. But, nah, we did not go one of one as a whole. Like, this definitely stemmed from a concept, but it's the first M3 in the world to have this color. You know what I'm saying? It's the first M3 to have this color. So, I saw the shit a while ago, and I kind of wanted to do something like that on the Scat. And yeah, man, it just so happened that we end up doing it on this one. I'm still very nervous. I have not seen the wrap at all, so I'm nervous as shit just to see like what this shit really gonna look like. But yeah, we we went with the concept. I didn't want to do anything that was super crazy, like super flashy. Like, bro, this is my daily driver, and it's still a little crazy for me personally as a daily, but it's all good, man. I'm just gonna try to make the best out of this with content. I'm really hoping that this shit make the content go crazy. I'm gonna have, if the weather is good, I'm probably gonna have a photo shoot set up and get y'all some content with that. Probably do like some behind the scenes and then drop the official footage. So stay tuned for that. But I'm actually running late right now, so I will get back with y'all. I'll get back with y'all shortly, and I'll turn the camera back on once we get to the shop, man. I'm hella nervous. I don't know how this shit gonna turn out. And you're gonna be able to see it on my face too. Like, I really hope this shit turns out good. I'm not gonna lie to you. But we about to see. So Stay tuned, man.
You ready?
We about to see, man. We about to see what the car looking like
Yeah.
for the very first time. Oh man, I'm nervous. I ain't gonna lie.
You say when you're ready, okay?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah?
Ready. Let's go ahead. Let's get it over with.
Okay.
Let's get it over with. Let's see. Y'all did this. Oh shit! Hold on. Man, y'all gotta see this, man. Oh, with the GTS tail lights too. Oh yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
They fit perfectly, yeah.
Nah, that's perfect. That is perfect.
Is it as you expected?
Yeah, for sure. That's exactly how I wanted it.
Perfect.
Sheesh. Let me show y'all what we got going on. Like a scene 10. Yeah, that's. Let me see. Man, y'all peep what we got going on, man. We got the tan, like a sandy tan, fading to the brown. We got the petty M3 on there too. Let's look at the details too. We got the brakes. We got the brakes done too. GTS tail lights on the back. Y'all already see it wrapped by Stage Cars. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in with them. Go follow them on Instagram. Them GTS tail lights go crazy.
Did you see the? Oh, it's too windy, yeah. Fuck.
Let's see, we got the GTS tail lights. That's a good touch.
Did you see the brake calipers in front?
I didn't look at the front yet. Oh yeah, we got the Petty M3 on the brake calipers. Y'all can't really see it too good, but we got the Petty M3 right there. Sheesh. Nah, that's hard. Y'all did y'all's thing on this one. I'm not gonna lie. This one's about to be the neck breaker for sure.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah.
Nah, I appreciate it, man.
On
Right
it-
now it's just like on
it-
the one bang.
No, it's the loudest car I've ever heard. Wait a sec. Wait a sec.
You want to do it right now, or you want me to flash it over?
You can do it right now, and then later again. Yeah.
Just go ahead and do the video now.
Sorry.
You just want to do the video now?
Yeah, yeah. Only from the with the start with the.
Okay. All
From
right,
the
y'all
start.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Sieht auch draußen noch mal geil aus.
Jetzt immer so. Nicht, dass du nur so für extra drin so, dass es scheiße aussieht, dass man los ist. Arbeit macht.
Turn the wheel left and it scrapes. Oh, it's not doing it right now. scraping sound.
Oh,
I
okay.
got it's the vent, like those vents that are in the front.
Yeah.
And I just got the pieces in the mail to like cut that off, and it goes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That shit sounds disgusting. I pulled up. I guess I can get some reels too.
Oh, die Sonne. Lass mich überholen, oder?
All right, man, I made it home, and for some reason, I don't know, my camera, it really wasn't recording. Well, it was recording, but my sound wasn't working, so my reaction to the video, like with my face, like literally none of the stuff was recording. But luckily, Pierre was recording, so shout out to Pierre. He was recording the whole time, so y'all get the whole reaction. But made it home. I'm 100% satisfied. I'm so happy with the car. The color itself, those are the colors that I wanted on my car anyway. I really just didn't know how I was gonna piece it together, and I was like, I might as well go ahead with the color faded wrap. So, yeah, man, super happy with the car. A few minor details that just got to be tweaked, just because I did not see the car whatsoever before getting it. So very minor details that need to be tweaked, just to be exactly how I want it to be, but it's not anything that's crazy at all. I really appreciate Stage Cars. I appreciate them. Customer service A1. Anything that goes on, or if there's anything, if there's anything that goes on with the car, they literally fix any type of mistake or like any flaw or anything like that. So I appreciate them for just being super helpful through the whole process, turning what I visioned into real life. So I appreciate them 1000%. Everybody, I've only, well, y'all seeing the video right now, but I just shot it to my boys, and they all messing with it so far. So I'm really hoping that y'all enjoy this. I'm gonna drop some reels and all of that stuff, probably after this video drops. So y'all will see the car on Instagram as well. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at petty.m3. definitely go do that. I'm trying to get Instagram going. Y'all know YouTube. I'm trying to get YouTube going too, but I'm definitely trying to get Instagram going. I gotta get them subscribers up, man. But I am 100% satisfied with the rap as a whole. And yeah, man, it's just time to get to the content, man. Time to get to the grind. Everybody been trying to see it, but I've only showed like people in my close friend group right now. So ain't nobody seen the car yet. But I hope y'all enjoy it. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, tap in, and just stay tuned for more content, man. We got content. We about to start going crazy. Reels, whole now. We about to start going crazy. The car is wrapped. The only thing we missing now is wheels. I got yellow DRLs that I got to get installed, and I got to get this other thing installed. But other than that, the car is good to go. So we good on that part. But stay tuned for the rest of the build. Hope y'all messing with it. And until next time, man, we gone. Please hit the subscribe button and please follow me on Instagram. But until next time, man, we gone.
Man, hit the motherfucking button! Welcome